Alright guys, what's going on? I'm back with another video. Today I hope you guys watched the last video. You guys would know that I got a new car. I got a Volkswagen GTI. It's been a pretty good car. Today we are actually doing our first mod to it. We are going and getting the exhaust done. I didn't end up buying an exhaust. I'm just going to probably end up getting a res delete and a muffler delete. So there's that. I'll see you guys when we get to the place. Guys, I ended up just doing a resonator delete. The muffler is going to take a lot more work, so that's going to be in the future. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. As always, follow all my social media accounts. They'll be in the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I stayed for a long time 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.